Hello, today we're going to be looking at how to buy coins on Partyra. Partyra is a social connect application that allows you to discover fun, thrill, and exciting events around your city. Partyra is available on the app, or you can get it on Play Store, or you can get it on iOS App Store. You can also get Partyra by visiting www.partyra.com. Today, we're going to look at how you can actually top up your wallet. Uh, to do that, you want to go to your app. If you've downloaded the app, go to the app and then click the right left-hand panel where you would see wallets. So I'm currently using the web portal. As you can see the wallet feature right on the panel. So I want to click it. Once you click it, it takes you to the wallets page where you can top up your wallet and use that coins to invite your friends to any of the private events you have created on Partyra. As you can see here, it costs just 1 naira for one coin, 2 naira for two coin. If you buy more, it's cheaper. For example, 30 naira will get you 50 coins, and with that coins, you can send out invites to your friends, your colleagues, your family, for any private events you have created. The good thing about Partyra is that we give you 10 coins, 10 beautiful coins whenever you sign up. So you can use that 10 coins to invite friends and family colleagues to your event. So let's get started right away. If you have exhausted your coin, in this case, I still have my 10 coins top up, so I can still use that for my free event. But if you want to top it up, all you need to do is to select the amount you want. So in this case, I want to get 50 more coins. So I click on this, and then this costs 13 naira. So once I do that, I click on add coins. So as you can see here, this is the total price 57 because we have added tax off. There's a tax in this as well as other charges. So total is 57 naira. So once you are okay with that, you want to click on add card. So once you've added your card, it will direct you to a Paystack page where you want to make payments. You can make payments using your card by transfer, USSD, and pay attitude. That's the different way you can pay. You can top up your coin on Paystack for your Partyra account. So once you do that, your account will be topped up, and then you can then use that coins to invite more. You can send out more invitations for your private events. So how do you do that? This is your event dashboard. You want to navigate to your private event. This is a private event, as you can see. And then I can come here and start sending out more invites. I can send out more invite because I have more coins. So once you exhaust your coin, you will need to go back to your wallet, top up your wallet, and then you can send out more invites to people. So that is the beauty of Partyra. So Partyra allows you to not only create private events, but also send exclusive invite to your friends, your family, your invitee, and anybody you want to send your private events to. So that's the simple process of topping up your wallet to buy coins. If you have any questions, if you have feedback, comments, you can simply reach us by sending a mail to support@partyra.com, or you can reach us via DM on our Twitter or Instagram page, and we are just a DM away. Thank you.